Bitty girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's so cold out, stop! But I can't help myself, no? You make no sense, Arrow. Does she not make sense, Brutus? Even he agrees with me, mainly because he's like 8 years old. This one's only 2. Look at that, like what? Stop it. Stop making fun of me. Go potty. Brutus! Why do you have to pee on the boat? Yeah. She's like, stop it, please. I don't like the camera. It scares me. Oh, our little creek is frozen up. Yeah, Arrow, stay in the yard. I have a creek. And it sort of froze, and I want to crack it so the water will flow. So it flows through there.